What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Trading stock Tesla. Check it out. Alright guys, let's jump into this recap here. Today I traded Tesla. I had a number of stocks on watch today, like a lot of stocks on watch for my list as far as I'm concerned. And we're going to go over all these and why I didn't trade them, or which ones I was looking to trade and where I was looking for the trade to happen. And it didn't happen, so I stayed disciplined, and I'll show you those charts as well, right? Then we're going to cover the Tesla trade, which was a nice options trade we nailed in chat today live, and just proceeded to be disciplined the rest of the morning. Took a small little trade right before lunch, little scalp, and it just nice day. It's a base hit kind of day, and I'm going to show you why it was that way and why we stayed disciplined in chat as well. I'm going to show you the poll, what we ran, and how everyone did in the team today. If you're new and you don't know about us, the daytraderchatroom.com, link in the description and comment section. You can come join us for a 5-day trial. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into the chart. So then today, this is the performance by everyone. We cast our votes every single morning on these polls. How did you do today? 58% of traders were green today, 41% didn't trade, and that is respectful because there was a lot of very choppy, very odd, weird action. Today was not an easy trading day by any means. So you guys showed a tremendous amount of discipline by just sitting on your hands waiting. If nothing came to you, you didn't take a trade. You didn't chase, you didn't FOMO. Good work. And then 58% of traders being green. Awesome work, guys. Keep it up. Let's keep killing it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into recap on the morning here. As you can see in your member dashboard on the daily watch list, we had TPST, which was making huge moves in the pre-market session, MTSL, CLDX, GOED, SGOC, AEHL on watch this morning. And the one trade, well, the couple trades I took wasn't even on a stock that was on the watch list. It was crazy this morning, and we're going to go over why, right? We had TPST. This thing was making big moves in the morning. Look at the pre-market. Look at the gap up in pre-market from 16 bucks. Guys, look at this. That's huge. Huge move on TPST this morning. And this thing actually got halted right off the bell. This thing just got halted right off the bell there. And we had it on watch. I was like, okay, I want to see what it's going to do off the halt. Look what it did off the halt. Nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Those of you who are new, this is a 3-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and daily chart. There you go. Nothing on TPST for me as far as a trade went because look at it. Just look at the chart and you can see that it hasn't made a move. MTSL was also on watch this morning with 2.03 million shares in the float. It had a big gap up again this morning, as you can see, and nothing. Another one very similar to that TPST trade. It didn't make the move we were looking for. Next, after that, we had CLDX. Now, CLDX, I thought it might have a little bit more of a shot on this one here. 38.3 million shares in the float, and it had positive data from early stage open label clinical trials for its hives treatment. I was watching to see if maybe we can get some sort of move on this one, but nothing. We had our pre-market lines drawn out here, and we haven't had anything. Look, it had one straight up move, and then that's it. Clear as day, what? VWAP resistance. Clear as day. Check it out. Every single attempt at VWAP has been brought by rejection, right? Boom. Every single one. Bang, rejected, bang, rejected, bang, rejected until here. And now we're at fresh new lows of day. It looks like this one might just try to fade a good chunk of this gap up potentially. So we can go ahead and kind of start cleaning up this chart again, and we'll see what happens there. GOED was another one with a big move this morning, and nothing. Look at that. Nice gap up this morning, and it not only faded the gap up, no. It went beyond that, all the way down here to 350. And then we had SGOC. SGOC definitely want to keep on watch. This one's definitely one to keep on watch. I'm hoping that what it does is it cools its jets, comes back down here towards $22, $23, and consolidates throughout lunch at that level before giving us maybe an opportunity for an afternoon move. I don't see any news on SGOC, at least in pre-market when I checked this morning, but so far I haven't seen a whole lot. Now that was one to keep on watch. I did not catch any trades on this one because in the morning when I was taking my other trades, this is all SGOC was doing. It's untradeable, honestly. Unless you're a momentum chaser, that's untradeable. There was no pattern there. I told you guys in chat here, watch for a break of this $22 level once we finally started trading. And well, once we got that $22 level, we pulled back into it, held it. I know at least one member caught that and banked. Nice move, clean uptrend off of that level. AEHL was one I was trying to catch a trade on earlier, and it was right in here. We had this move. Let me try to like rearrange this a little bit. We had this move in here, and I was waiting for a pullback back down towards this level, because at that time we had this 420 level kind of lining up with a little bit of daily tops and the 23.6 fib and VWAP. But this thing just didn't pull back. It just went straight up, and then gave it all back. No trades for me on it, even though I really liked it, but no trades. Finally, once we put in that top, we had a nasty rejection. I was like, probably not. So that left me with coming on over to check out Tesla. And when I got to Tesla, I found a setup that I liked. I said, guys, this looks rather clean. I like what I'm seeing here on Tesla. And we were right in here on Tesla. Let me open this up a little bit. And right in here, I went ahead, got long some calls, and took profits on this initial pop. And then here, I tried to get some more off. I didn't catch a fill. And then the stock started to come back down. And it's like I said, I wasn't expecting Tesla to make a giant move today. I didn't expect Tesla to go to like 700 or even 680 something. I honestly didn't. I thought we would just get a quick little bounce. And I thought maybe we would just kind of trade sideways. I was like, you know what? Let me just try to catch this bounce. I came on the mic. I even told you guys, I'm not looking for a big trade. I'm looking for a quick little in and out trade. You know, not necessarily a scalp, but a nice little slow, methodical trade. And why? Well, look, why did I look for the trade? We had nice increasing volume on the bounce. Okay. We had a nice little increase in volume on the bounce. And then when we got the pullback, when we got this pullback in here, what did we have, guys? What do I look for when we get those pullbacks? We got the decreasing volume. Bang. Decreasing volume. I'm like, bet, this is it. This is a good setup here. I got long. Take profit, take profit. And then we had nice increase in volume, but by then I was flat because I just, like I said, I didn't think we were going to have it in us to make a big move. I mean, joke was on me. We made a decent, nice move there on Tesla. Very, very nice move. It went further than I expected. You know, I thought maybe 680s, but breaking up and over 685 and all that, I didn't think it would do that. Honestly, I didn't think it would do that, right? So that was my first trade on Tesla. Next trade on Tesla. Let me delete these lines real quick here. The next trade I had on Tesla was, like I told you guys, I was like, I'm going to look for a scalp now. And I told you I was going to look for it on the VWAP bounce. That's what I was looking for. Right in here, we had a nice little VWAP bounce. I got back into my calls. The first calls I traded today were the 675 calls, July 16th expiration. In at 13.55, I took some profits off at 15, and then I got flat at 14. And then we went ahead and got in on the Tesla July 16th $700 calls. In at 5.95, I took a little piece of profit. Like I said, I was just looking for a little scalp. I took a little piece of profit in there at, let's see, 6.10, and then I sold out the rest when we came all the way back down here at 5.70. And I mean, look, it bounced even stronger. So joke's on me there again. But hey, overall, nice little base hit on the day. I'll take it because base hits win games. When you hit a base hit often, boom, 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 like almost every day, let's say, on average, and then you get yourself into that rhythm of saying, hey, you know, my job is to come in on the day and hit base hits and trade properly and manage my risk like an expert. That's how you end up hitting home runs every so often. So you'll have a streak of nice base hits, maybe a double here and there, and then every so often, bang, you hit one into the stands, a nice home run, and it really rounds out your month. That's proper risk management trading, right? So that was it for me as far as those trades went. Let me grab the alerts real quick here. I'll show you the alerts. I mean, you see the alerts, but well, just in case here, they're recorded anyways. Long starter Tesla 675 call, July 16th expiration, 1355 entry. Stop if Tesla gets under 670. Taking some profits if it's 15. Taking some more 14. Well, flat 14. I actually got a 1407 fill. Then we welcome new members. Long again, Tesla call July 16th, $700 strike this time, 595 entry. Took some profits 610, then stopped out 570, and again, another welcome. So that's pretty much it as far as the recap goes on the day, guys. I'm going to now start to get ready so that we can do a little live lesson. Well, guys, that's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.